Hi guys and welcome back. So today I am all ready. I did my workout in the morning. I just showered and I'm gonna go run some errands. I'm gonna get my wax. Then I'm gonna get my nails and my toes done because I am going to Vegas this weekend and I'm very excited. So I'm gonna show you guys my outfit. My room's a little messy, so don't judge me. I'm just wearing this cropped sweater that says Sugar from Fashion Nova. Then I'm wearing these really high-waisted workout pants from Forever 21. I'm sorry I'm showing you guys my butt, but and then just some shoes and then just some Nikes. It's gonna be a pretty chill day today. I do have work later on, so I want to get as much done as I can right now. Basically, literally my favorite song in like middle school. No, actually, I sang that song in high school. Oh my god. So I got my nails done and I'm home now. I got a pedicure, my nails done, and my wax. And I feel like a brand new bee. Like, I feel pretty poppin' right now. Let me show you guys. I don't know if you guys can see them. They're really simple, but they have like glitter. And I really like how they came out. They look so pretty. They look better in person, honestly, if we're being honest. Okay, so I get home and these cases that me and my coworker Georgie ordered like in December just got here. It's March like the 23rd. This one's mine, this one's Georgie's, I think, yeah. And they just got here, like how? It took super long and I didn't know it was gonna take this long. If I knew it would have taken like 3 months, then I probably wouldn't have ordered it, to be honest. But I mean, they're cute. Do you guys see a pattern going on? This is a case that I have right now by OtterBox. And then there's this one. I think it's really cute though. I'm just gonna miss my pop socket, but it's okay. Okay, so I made myself some egg with ham, patapatillo, and I have some tortilla chips. Don't ask me why. And I'm just watching, who is this? I'm watching Pretty Neat Living. I really love her, and she just had a baby, another baby. So this is her day in the life with a 6-week-old. It's really interesting to me. I don't know. I love her voice too, so that's what I'm watching. I do have work later on, so I'm just gonna chill, eat this, and then clean my house a bit, and then yeah. I haven't uploaded a picture on Instagram, which is what I wanted to do, just to consistently post on Instagram, but I haven't really gotten ready. And this week I had a lot of stuff to do for school, but now that it's spring break, I'll go ahead and get ready and I'll do more things. That's what I'm doing.
Oh my gosh. That is so close. How did it not die?
Hey, let's go buy some chicken.
Okay, yeah.
Hey guys, and welcome back. So right now I'm gonna go get my passport pictures taken. Wait.
Hi.
Where's your face? Oh, wait. Okay, so we finished up at the Peruvian consulate. I went to go renew my Peruvian passport. I couldn't get my ID just because I needed to make an appointment, so I'm probably gonna come back. And then I have to come pick up my passport anyways, so I'm probably gonna do both of those things the same day, but it's cool. It was... Hi, Andrew. I'm just here with us, me and Paul. Me and Andrew are both on spring break. So we're gonna go... What are we gonna do right now?
We're gonna eat
What are we gonna eat?
shrimp.
We're gonna go get Cajun shrimp at this place called Hot and Juicy here in West Hollywood. I'm very excited. It's so freaking good. This is Ivana's favorite place, I think.
Really?
Yeah, Ivana really likes this place.
Oh, I like these types of food.
Yeah, and I haven't been in a while, so I'm really excited. And then we might go get milk, because Paul has never had milk. And that's usually what me and my sister get when we're around here. No. Okay.
Like,
I'm done. And do you want to say anything?
Hi.
Oh, Andrew got braces. Show him. He looks so cute. His teeth are already going straight. Aren't braces the best?
True.
He said no because I can't eat anything.
True.
Yes, yeah.
I can't even drink soda.
Oh yeah, you can't drink soda, you can't drink gum, you can't eat
Bless
a bunch of things. So yeah, we're just gonna go. And I'm all like cherried out.
Yo, even your earrings.
Even my earrings are like cherry cola. And then I have my cherry top. And then I recently got this cherry skirt. And I'm wearing these really cute red shoes. I'll have Paul show you guys. Weirdos.
I can't do it as fast as him. I can't
Let's
do
see
it
it,
as
Andrew.
fast
Let's
as
see it. Defeated. The face of
Honestly.
the. Alright, we're here.
You're like, no, Mom, it's my vacation time. This is the time I have to go explore.
I would not have said that. So I got the Cosmopolitan because Paul wanted to try it. Yeah.
You record milk.
Okay, so we're gonna go. We just finished eating Cajun shrimp, but I think we forgot to record it. I think we did. I'm a little lit, I'm not gonna lie. But we're gonna go to milk right now. Okay, so we got the whole
cherry shirt going on.
cherried out.
Going with the cherry skirt and matching it with some cherry earrings right there. And then the shoes. Hey.
Yeah. What did you get?
I got peanut butter chip and coconut.
Peanut butter chip and coconut, and I got coffee toffee. I wanted the banana dulce de leche, but they didn't have it. But I love coffee, so. And then Paul, what you get? Nothing?
Yeah. They forgot about me.
You got the Milky Way?
Milky Way malt.
Milky Way. Stay tuned. So welcome back. Today's Friday and spring break is quickly ending. I'm just here watching the Emoji Movie, and I'm actually making some egg right now, so I'm just gonna go check it before it burns. I'm making I guess you can call this an egg tortilla. It's basically what we call it in Peru. It just has hot dog in there, and it's just cooking in there. I think it's ready to flip. So plans for today are as follows. I have to clean up here in the kitchen a little bit. Then I have to feed Andrew breakfast, of course. My mom texted me asking if I could make fettuccine alfredo, so that's what I'm gonna make today. So I'll go ahead and show you guys, I guess, how I do it. This is my first time making fettuccine alfredo, but it's not hard. Once you have the sauce, like, it's so easy. So I'm gonna make that today, and then later on I do have work at 4 p.m. so I'm going to try to dye my hair because it's a mess ASAP. So those are my plans, and right now I'm just drinking my coffee from my little mermaid mug that Bae got me. So I just finished cutting some chicken breast. I put some salt and pepper, and I'm ready to fry these bad boys. I'm gonna fry them with a little bit of oil and some butter. Fry the chicken. I'm gonna go ahead and cook some spaghetti. Just boil some spaghetti. So I'm gonna put water with salt and a little bit of oil, and then this is just the Anthony spaghetti. And I don't know if it's gonna be enough, but I'm gonna do this for now, and if it's not enough, we could always make some more. Cooking up. Forgot to mention, but I'm just cooking these until they're kind of golden. And then I'm going to put them here just so this can soak the oil up. Okay, so I went ahead and put a little bit more butter and some garlic in there. The noodles are almost done. And now I'm going to put the sauce. The sauce that I'm going to use for today is the Bertolli Creamy Basil Alfredo. This one's really good. So I'm going to pour that in and then pour some milk in there just to get the rest of it out. And then just mix it, and that should be it. That smells so good. I'm just gonna put it on low right now. The Alfredo sauce is ready, and then the noodles are ready. I'm just gonna put it on top, and then that'll give it time to like thicken a little bit. And there you have it. Delicious. So I just got this in the mail. This is the Rose Gold Michael Bublé perfume. I actually got a notification in my email, and I love Michael Bublé, so, you know, always supporting Bae. So it's the By Invitation Rose Gold, and it looks so pretty.